Hello, my friends. I've decided I'm going to do a series on complementary colors. Now, they can be very tricky, of course, because if you blend them together, you're going to get brown. But depending on placement in the cup for fluid art and the mix you use, it can work. Now, you may have seen this video I did a little while ago using red and green, and I'm very happy with what came out. I think it's a lot of fun, and that gave me the idea to do a series of complementary colors. So today I'm using blue and orange. Now the mix I'm using is the Polycrylic mix, and I've found that one to be the best for keeping complementary colors from muddying up. And if I'm doing a ring pour, it keeps the colors, the lines nice and crisp. So my colors today are phthalo blue, pale blue. Then I decided I wanted a darker shade, so I combined the phthalo blue and a bit of metallic black. I love adding this to colors. Oftentimes it makes really wonderful colors. I added a little tiny bit of shimmer there, but it's a beautiful deep navy now, I would say. And then I mixed some white, just because I don't want the orange and the blue side by side necessarily, although some of that will happen. Then I mixed some orange, that's this one, and then I debated whether to have a metallic gold, so I mixed up a batch of gold, but I really wanted to stick with just the blue and orange. So I added orange to it and then lightened it with some white. So now I've got two shades of orange as well. And that's it. I'm just going to do one layer in each of each color and do a ring and probably ribbon pour. So here we go. I remembered to get out my turntable, which was a gift to me from a viewer, Jeannie. Hello, Jean. And, well, here, let me fill the cup first, and then we'll get to it. With that red one, if you saw, I really struggled with that because I used way too much paint. So I'm not going to use nearly as much this time around. I may have enough to do a second one. I like these 10 by 10 inch canvases. They're just so cute and chunky. Not too little, but they don't take up a lot of room. Okay. I think the orange is going to be my accent color. It's going to be mostly blue, so that isn't enough paint. I am going to add more blue, one more layer of blue. So there's some white to separate the two, and then a little bit of the three blues, and good to go. Reserving a little bit for ribbons if I need it. But you can see, even in the cup, how nice those colors are staying separated. I will put the recipe down below, and I will also link how I make up a big batch of this paint. And I do use it quite often, or always, for ring and ribbons, and now I'm starting to repeat myself, so I will stop talking. Okay, I'm just going to do a straight pour mostly, rotating the canvas. Here we go. I'm about 2 inches away from the surface. And it is blending some. I wonder if I pour quickly. Yeah, I think if I pour a little faster, there's less chance of the orange and the blue mixing together. So I did get some brown there when I was going slowly. So now back to the blues. I like to get a nice dark kind of center. I usually alternate my paints, light, dark, or dark, light. But I didn't this time actually, although I started with dark. I just went with the light colors. Okay, I'm gonna stop there. And remove the turntable. And what have we got? That's not bad. I'm gonna move it around, kind of cover the canvas, not worry about the sides quite yet. Oh, there's something in there. I've got to, there's always something, right? There's a lump of something in there that's causing this funny thing going on. Oh, you know what? I got some new tweezers my sister gave me. Oh yeah, that's a big lump of junk. These are great. I don't know what kind they are. Oh, they're Bernina. They're some kind of sewing tweezers. Anyway, they worked really great for plucking out that chunk. All right. Interesting center there. I like this area. All right, back to work. Very nice concentration of orange there. And this is very nice right here. The orange is kind of creeping into the blue there a bit and kind of lacing over it. I like that. I might lose it, but I like it for now. So I want to go over here and then bring it back so I can keep that orange. I hope. Oh, nope, I lost it. Yeah, I'm definitely going to put ribbons on top of this. It's interesting, but it needs it for dimension. And I'm losing a lot of my orange, so I'm gonna definitely want the ribbons to be heavy on the orange. Okay. All right. So let me see. I think I'll take the white cup and add the 2 oranges to it. The darker and the lighter. And now for some ribbons. Here we go. Wish me luck. Look how that pops there. Okay. Can't stop there. I want more of the darker orange. So I'm gonna add some more of that to the cup. Try that. Let's see. Take your time with it. Think about where you want to go. Fun. And one more. There. I think I'm done. I think I like it. Let me bring you in for a closer look. That light blue almost looks like electric blue. I love that. And I like these little wispy areas over here and what's going on in the center. It's just that one area there that looks a little off to me, but by adding the ribbons, it helped tie that into the whole thing. Yeah, it's fun. I think it'll be a fun series to do. Next will be purple and yellow. So we've got red and green, blue and orange. Next up, purple, yellow. Thanks for watching, my friends. I hope to see you next time. Bye now. Nope, I don't like that part. I have to tilt it off. So let me slip my gloves back on and tilt off that orange. I can't live with it. Now it's going to distort my ribbons, but that's okay. And maybe I'll go back in and add some more. So weight of the paint, find out where it is. I want to have it, it's over there, it's near the center. So I'm going to send it down to about here. And then off that section goes. Goodbye. And maybe that weird little thing down there. Okay. Oh, wow. I like that much better. Oh, that's much better, isn't it? I don't think I need to add any more ribbons. There's plenty going on. I'll just touch up these edges with one of the bright oranges, but you don't need to see that. So there and there. Yes, happy now. Bye.